Nissan has officially introduced the all-new 2026 Elgrand, giving its long-running luxury minivan a complete redesign that blends premium comfort with advanced electrified technology. While the model is currently reserved for the Japanese market, it is already generating interest from drivers around the world who wish Nissan would bring it to other countries, including the United States. For many American enthusiasts, the reveal brings back memories of the Nissan Quest, a minivan that quietly disappeared from the company's lineup several years ago. The arrival of this new Elgrand shows that Nissan still knows how to build an upscale family vehicle, even if it is not yet available outside Japan. The fourth-generation Elgrand introduces a completely new powertrain centered around Nissan's latest e-power technology. Instead of relying on a traditional gasoline engine to directly move the vehicle, a 1.5-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine works primarily as a generator, supplying electricity to electric motors that drive the wheels. This setup delivers the smooth response of an electric vehicle while eliminating the need to plug in for charging. Buyers can also enjoy added confidence thanks to Nissan's E4 ORIC all-wheel drive system, which helps improve stability and traction in different driving conditions. Inside, Nissan has focused heavily on passenger comfort. The second row can be equipped with luxurious zero-gravity captain's chairs that feature reclining functions and extendable leg supports, creating an experience that feels closer to first-class airline seating than a traditional minivan. The front passenger seat also includes an ottoman, allowing even more opportunities to stretch out during long trips. Families needing additional seating can instead choose a second-row bench configuration. Technology is another major highlight throughout the cabin. Two large 14.3-inch displays dominate the dashboard, while a premium 22-speaker Bose sound system delivers immersive audio throughout the interior. Rear passengers receive dedicated entertainment screens, and customizable 64-color ambient lighting helps create a relaxing atmosphere after dark. Nissan also adds elegant Kumiko-inspired wood trim, hands-free driving assistance, and even a striking purple interior option that gives the cabin a unique personality rarely seen in this segment. The exterior design moves away from the conservative look many minivans have traditionally followed. A bold front grille with intricate geometric details combines with a full-width light bar to give the Elgrand a futuristic appearance. Two-tone paint finishes and stylish alloy wheels further separate it from ordinary family vehicles, while the rear continues the modern theme with another full-width lighting element. Although Nissan has not announced plans to sell the Elgrand outside Japan, many fans believe it could find success if introduced to North America as a new Quest. Families continue to look for spacious, comfortable vehicles loaded with technology, and this new model appears ready to compete with the best luxury people movers on the market. The new Nissan Elgrand is now available in Japan with pricing that starts at approximately 6,897,000 yen, or about $42,500. Whether it eventually reaches other global markets remains unknown, but one thing is clear. Nissan has created a premium minivan that proves practical transportation does not have to sacrifice style, comfort, or innovation.